Welcome on English Learners channel. Do you know that celebrating a wedding anniversary is a meaning occasion? A moment that reflect on years and spent together and also share memories with each other. So let's find out the new words to wish someone on their wedding anniversary that can make the moment and make your connection more deeper and also show your thoughtfulness and make your message more professional. So let's catch out the new words and new phrases to wish someone on their wedding anniversary. First, let we know what does happy wedding anniversary mean. This phrase happy wedding anniversary is a joyful expression used to celebrate years milestone of a couple marriage. It acknowledges their commitment, their love and also share experience with together. It gives us a chance to honor their journey together and wish them many more fulfilling years ahead. Is it a professional or polite to say happy wedding anniversary to someone? Yes, happy wedding anniversary is both professional or personal because it shows genuine goodwill and happiness for the couple without being overly familiar or informal, whether it is a personal or workplace setting. It is an appropriate phrase to acknowledge a special day. So you can use these phrases happy wedding anniversary both professional and personal. Let's dive into detail and learn some synonym of happy wedding anniversary with me. Wishing you a beautiful anniversary filled with love. What does it mean? It means a warm, elegant way to celebrate a couple's love. Let's learn this phrase with example. Wishing you a beautiful anniversary filled with love and joy. May you continue to create wonderful memories together. Cheers to another year of love and happiness. What does it mean? It means a casual celebratory phrase emphasizing ongoing happiness. Let's learn this alternative with example. Cheers to another year of love and happiness. May your journey together be filled with laughter and happiness. Happy milestone day to you both. What does this alternative means? It means a unique way to honor an anniversary as a special milestone. Let's learn this alternative with example. Happy milestone day to you both. Wishing you many more responsibilities filled with happiness and companionship. Celebrating the love that binds you two together. What does this alternative mean? It means we only focus on the love and commitment that bind the couple together. So let's learn this alternative with interesting and beautiful example. Celebrating the love that binds you two together today and always. Happy anniversary. May your love continue to blossom and grow. What does it mean? It means this is a poetic expression that emphasizes growth in love. Let's learn this expression with example. May your love continue to blossom and grow with each passing year. Happy marriage anniversary, happy wedding anniversary, a beautiful couple. Happy anniversary to a truly inspiring couple. What does this alternative means? This means recognize the couple as a true inspiration. Let's learn this beautiful expression with this example. Happy anniversary to a truly inspiring couple. Your love and commitment are the better example to all of us.